Hey everybody, this is Michael Koberline coming to you from Mesa, Arizona at Durfee Law Group. And today I wanted to talk with you briefly about dynasty planning and what that means. So, dynasty planning is a way for us to help you to draft your trust in a way that will allow your assets to last for generations and generations, and to hopefully the idea is to continue growing and benefiting beneficiaries across generations for multiple generations. Some people also refer to it as multi-generational planning. And the key in this area of planning is to preserve the principal. And so one of the ways that we do that is by allowing for the income that is generated from the trust, only and only the income, to be distributed to beneficiaries. In this way, we allow the principal to continue to grow or to remain stagnant, in that it will continue to stay in the trust. And as a result, the principal will continue to generate an income for generations. Another way that we can do that is by limiting the distribution to the income and only a percentage of the income, so that there is an amount left in the trust that will continue to grow the trust assets. In that way, we can not only allow for distributions to beneficiaries on an annual basis or however often you would like, but also we allow for the trust principal to continue to grow and again benefit generations. Another thing that's important in dynasty planning is, and this this is more of an ancillary planning tool, but one of the things that really can damage estates quickly is litigation. And so when you have beneficiaries who are in a position where they can fight over assets against one another, this is something that not only damages the temporal benefits of the trust and the value of the assets, but it can also, and often does, damage family relationships for generations. So, in order to prevent that from happening, or to make that less likely to happen, we also provide something called an integrity agreement. And as part of that integrity agreement, the language that's included states that anyone who wants to fight about who gets what is out. In other words, if you fight about the inheritance that you're getting, you don't get anything. In addition to that, we only allow for certain types of resolutions when it comes to any problems that may come up. We certainly recognize that there are problems that need to be resolved, and so we have a 4-part plan that allows for problems to be solved in an amicable way outside of the courtroom. And hopefully in this way, it preserves assets and preserves relationships. And this is Michael Koberline again, talking about dynasty planning and some of the ways that we can preserve assets and protect assets for generations. If you have any thoughts about or questions regarding dynasty planning, you can give us a call at 480-324-8000. Also, we have plenty of articles on our website, and you just go to www.durfeelawgroup.com, and there you can see here on the bottom of the screen there, durfeelawgroup.com. You can go there and find lots of articles on asset protection and on dynasty planning. Our latest webinar on our YouTube channel also talks about asset protection and asset preservation. So if you have any questions or concerns, you want to learn more, those are some resources for you. And I appreciate you listening to this video.